I'm gonna show you guys my everyday makeup routine and what I like to use on the day-to-day. First, I like to start off with a moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer right now is the Frankies Bikinis Glow Moisturizer. If you don't have this, girl, you are missing out. It has this beautiful little gold, look at that, gold shimmer. And underneath the makeup, it's like, wow. And then it smells like this coconut yumminess. Don't need anything else. After you're all moisturized, I like to let that set for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into my foundation. I am obsessed. I am so obsessed with this La Mer skin tint right now. I swear by this. I got all my friends hooked on it. It's just the bomb. This is my favorite sponge ever. It's just massive. And then it has this that you can get into the little creases. And I believe it's by Elcie. Ooh. Now I'm mixing, because I'm a little light and dark, a little in between, light and medium with the La Mer. Bring it down. It's like medium to light coverage, which I'm down for. And then with any spots that I have, I'll go in with this Too Faced Born This Way. Once you feel like that is all blended, I like to go in with my concealer. I love the little minis. Look how cute the little minis are. This is Nars Medium Zero. I like to do right here because I have the biggest forehead. Highlight just right here, and then I'm gonna contour all around it to make it look smaller. You know? The sponge is the best. And then I like to bring it just a little bit more right in here. Oh, that was kind of cool. Just so that it highlights the center of my face more. And boom. We're gonna do translucent powder. If you don't own this, then you're crazy. Everybody needs this. I feel like everybody has it. It's a staple in everyone's kit. It's just the best, easy, translucent powder. Because I am oily and she's it all over. And then anytime after I use powder, I like to just mist myself a little bit before I add anything else, just because I feel like it really gathers it all. And we're gonna use Frankies Bikinis Glow Mist, another must-have product. Ooh, 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 ooh. First, you just gotta drench yourself. And once I spray my face, I like to go in with my bronzer. Another mini, because I'm obsessed with my minis because I travel all the time. We're gonna use Hoola, which is another, I feel like everyone owns this. If you don't, you need to. And here comes the 5-head. So for this 5-head, I really like to get in there, besides right in the middle where I highlighted. Do a little under your chin, bring it down. Okay, and then once I'm all bronzed, little contour chiseled, I'm gonna go in with my blush. And this is Frankies Bikinis Eye, Lip, and Cheek Tint, and it is Busy Bomb. Any creams you like to use, you always like to warm it up just so it's all nice and dewy and ready for your skin. And I'm gonna go right back in with my Elcie blender, right onto my cheeks, and go up, like almost where you want to highlight. So I'm gonna go in, and then just right at the top of my cheek, do it on the top of your lid, just to give it a little color. Look at that, makes my green eyes pop, baby. There's really no rules with using a cream product. You could just put it everywhere. I like to do it on my lips a little, but we'll do lips later. And you know, just a little on your nose. Eyebrows. I don't know if it was a blessing or a curse with these big bushy eyebrows. Another mini. My Anastasia brow gel. I'm just gonna go right in there. They're a little wild right now. Once I'm all done with the gel, I like to go in with a pencil and just kind of brush the gel through, give it a little flick of the wrist, but it just gives it a little bit. Why is that hair up there? blusher. My favorite part is mascara. This mascara, I swear by. I've been using this for years. It's the Peter Thomas Roth mascara. Like the bristles on this guy are just so little. And then a lot of people don't do their bottom lashes, but I love to do my bottom lashes. Look at it, just like boom, there's my eyeball. There is really no way of making a pretty face when doing mascara. Okay, all right. And then for the lip liner, I'm gonna do a little bronzy lip. So we're gonna use Strip Down by MAC. And then in the middle, I just filled in the corners and left the middle. I'm gonna put a pop of this Frankies Bikinis right in the center. And then I'm gonna put the Fenty Fussy, so it has a little bit of the pink tint as well. Right on top. Around the edges a little bit. Then at the very end, I like to spray myself again with the Frankies Bikinis Glow out my hair. Here's my everyday go-to look.